Very good morning, my dear students. Last class we solved solutions of exercise 3.2 question number 1 to question number 12. Today class we will solve question number 13 to question number 22. Now see question number 13. If capital F of x equal to 3 by 3 matrix they given cos x minus sin x 0 sin x cos x 0 0 0 1, show that capital F of x into capital F of y equal to capital F of x plus y. Now see, given f of x equal to cos x, the shortcut method I written cx, sin x I am writing that sx, cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0 0 0 1. Now see here I am writing f of x into f of y. LHS part I am taking. I will solve RHS part. Here LHS part. What is LHS part? Cos x minus sin x 0 sin x cos x 0 here 0 0 1 into f of y they are given. Only f of x term. F of y means put x equal to y. We can write cos y minus sin y here 0 sin y cos y 0 0 0 1. Now product of two matrices. First matrix order here 3 rows 3 columns. Second matrix order here 3 rows 3 columns. Now 3 rows 3 columns is first matrix here column, second matrix row, both are equal. When both are equal here we can multiply. First row element means first row first column. Here first row first column cos x into cos x into cos y minus sin x into minus plus sin y minus sin x sin y is the first element. Next one, first row second column is the second column cos minus cos x sin y after minus sin x here cos y plus 0, that is plus 0 no need of writing. After that again here A13 element, first row third column cos x into 0 0 minus sin x into 0 0 0 into 1 0, here third element is 0. Next first row over second row, here second row first column sin x cos y next plus cos x sin y next plus 0, next minus sin x sin y plus cos x cos y. Next one third, here A23 second row third element sin x into 0 0 plus cos x into 0 into 0 0 into 1 0. Now here we will get 0 element. Next one third row first column 0 into cos y 0 0 into sin y 0, here will get 0. Next same thing, here also will get 0, here also will get 0 and 0 plus 1 1 is 0. Now here in trigonometry here f of x into f of y equal to, now we can check cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. In first year trigonometry you know that formula sin of x plus y or sin of a plus b formula. Sin of x plus y formula sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Suppose here minus is there, here it will come minus. Same cos of x plus y formula cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Here minus is there, here plus. You know that formulas. Now use that formula here cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. That means here element place you can write cos of x plus y. Here cos of x plus y. Next one minus you can take out the here common. You will get sin a sin b plus cos a cos b. Minus if you take out the common you will get here sin of a plus b. Next one, here element is 0. Next one here sin a cos b plus cos a sin b or sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. We will get sin of x plus y Next formula, cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Cos of a plus b means cos of x plus y. Here 0. Now 0 0 1. LHS part you got here, cos of x plus y minus sin of x plus y 0. Sin of x plus y, cos of x plus y 0 0 0 1. This is the LHS part. Now we will take RHS part. What is the RHS part? Given question f of x equal to cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0 0 0 1. RHS f of x plus y. X place you have to replace the value x plus y. Substitute x plus y. F of x plus y equal to, yes, x place you have to replace the value of x plus y. Cos of x plus y minus sin of x plus y 0. Next one, sin of x plus y cos of x plus y 0. Next one 0 0 1. Now we will get, you got here LHS, therefore LHS equal to RHS. Both values are equal. Next question. Question number 14. Show that here they given 2 by 2 matrix 5 minus 1 6 7 2 1 3 4 not equal to 2 1 3 4 5 minus 1 6 7 elements are given. Now see, if you take this is the first matrix, A matrix, this is the B matrix, not equal to here B matrix, A matrix. That means you have to do product of LHS and product of RHS. Both are equal or not equal, you have to check. First one you see, I am solving first LHS side, left side. Here 2 by 2 matrix. A is 2 by 2 matrix, B also 2 by 2 matrix. Directly you can solve here. A matrix column, B matrix row, both are equal. Both are equal means product you can do. Now what is the product here? First one, first row, first column you have to multiply. 5 into 2, here 10, minus 1 into 3, minus 3. This is the first element. Next, first row, second column, 5 into 1, 5, minus 1 into 4, minus 4. Next one, first row, second row, first column, 6 into 2, 12, plus 7 into 3, 21. Next, second row, second column, 6 into 1, 6, plus 7 4 28. This is the left side part, not equal to here right side part. First row, first column, 2 into 5, 10, plus 1 into 6, 6. Next, first row, second column, 2 into minus 1, minus 2, 1 into 7, plus 7. Next, second row, first column, 3 into 5, 15, plus 4 into 6, 24. Next, 3 into minus 1, minus 3, plus 4 into 7, 28. Next, here, simplifying, 10 minus 3, 7, 5 minus 4, 1, 12 plus 21, 32, 33. Next one, 6 plus 28, here 34, equal to, not equal to, here 10, 10 plus 6, here 16, minus 2 plus 7, 5, 15 plus 24, 39, minus 3 plus 28, here 25. Both matrices are not equal. Here they given not equal. This is the answer. Next, question number 15. Next, question number 15. If A equal to 3 by 3 matrix, 2 0 1, 2 1 3, 1 minus 1 0, total 9 elements are given. Find A square, capital A square, minus 5A plus 6I. I means identity matrix. A matrix they given here 3 by 3 matrix. I also have to take here 3 by 3 identity matrix. First you can see in given question A they given, find they are asking A square, and A square here you have to do A square equal to A into A, you have to multiply. Understand that one? A square equal to A matrix into A matrix. That means product of A into A. Next, A matrix here, what will write? 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, minus 1, 0. Next, into here, 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, minus 1, 0. You have to multiply 3 by 3 matrix. Here 3 by 3 matrix, here 3 by 3 matrix. Product of two matrix means condition. First matrix column, second matrix row, both are equal. Now you have to find out 1 1 element. That is A 1 1 element. A 1 1 element means first row, first column. First row, first column. 2 into 2, 4. Here plus 0 into 2 plus 0 plus 1 into 1, 1. Next, first row, second column, 2 into 0, 2, 0, plus 0 into 1, 0, plus 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Next, first row, third column, 2 into 1, 2, plus 0 into 3, 0, plus 1 into 0, 0. Next, second row, first column, 2 into 2, 4, plus 1 into 2, 2, plus 3 into 1, 3. Next, second row, second column, 2 into 0, 0, plus 1 into 1, 1, minus 3. Here 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Next, second row, third column, 2 into 1, 2, plus 1 into 3, 3, plus 3 into 0, 0. Next one, third row, first column, third row, 1 into 2, 2, minus 2, plus 0. Next, 1 into 0, 0, minus 1, plus 0. Next, 1 into 1, 1, minus 3, plus 0. Now here, A square equal to first element, 4 plus 1, 5. Minus 1, 2. Next, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 3, 9. Here minus 2, here 5. Next, 2 minus 2, value is 0. Minus 1, 1 minus 3, minus 2. This is the A square 3 by 3 matrix. Now they are asking find A square minus 5A plus 6I. Now they are asking here, find A square minus 5A plus 6I. I means here you have to take identity matrix. Order is 3. What is the order? Identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 1. Here 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. This is the identity matrix order 3 matrix. Now A square. What is the A square here? A square 5 minus 1, 2, 9, minus 2, 5, 0, minus 1, minus 2, A square. Now minus 5A, this is the A matrix. 5A means 5 you have to multiply in each element. 5 multiply each element, what you get? 5 2s are 10, 0, 5 1s are 5. Next, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. Next, 5 1s are 5, minus 5, here 5 into 0, 0. Next, plus 6I. 6I means here, identity matrix multiply into 6. You will get here 6, 0, 0, 0, 6, 0, here 0, 0, 6. Now see here, addition is there, subtraction is there. What you have to do? Corresponding elements. Here see 5, here minus 10. 5 minus 10, minus 5. Minus 5 plus 6. Value is here first element 1. Next, minus 1, here minus 0. Minus 1, here we get minus 1. Next, 9 minus 10. Minus 1, here 0. You will get, sorry. If 2 minus 5 minus 3, here minus 3. Next A21 second row first element 9 minus 10 minus 1 will get minus 1 plus 0 minus 1. Next minus 2 minus 5 minus 7 plus 6, here minus 1. Next 5 minus 15, 5 minus 15 value minus 10, minus 10 plus 0 minus 10. Next 0 minus 5, 0 minus 5 plus 0, here minus 5. Next minus 1 minus into minus plus, minus 1 plus 5 plus 4 plus 0, value is here 4. Next minus 2 here minus 0, minus 2 plus 6, here value is 4. This is the answer. Order is here 3 by 3. We solved question number 15 over. Next one. Next question number 15 and 16 both are same method. Question number 16 you can try to solve. Next question number 17. If capital A equal to 2 by 2 matrix is given, 3 minus 2 4 minus 2, and capital I equal to 1 0 0 1, find k. K is a scalar, so that a square equal to k into a. K is not a matrix, k is a scalar. K into a minus 2a. Here so that they given find k, so that a square equal to ka minus 2i. Here equal to they given, find out a square and equate both matrices. Now see here, a matrix they given, a square you have to find out. A square you have to find out means you have to multiply a into a. Here a into a you have to multiply. What is a matrix here? 3 minus 2 4 minus 2 into 3 minus 2 4 minus 2. Two matrices order here 2 by 2, here 2 by 2. Two matrix order here 2 by 2, 2 by 2. Product means you have to check the condition. First matrix column, second matrix row, both are equal. Both are equal means here you will get resultant of a matrix. Total 4 elements. In that one, find out A11, A12, A21, A22. A11 means first row, first column you have to multiply. 3 into 3, 9. Plus minus 2 into 8, minus 8. Next, first row, second column. 3 into minus 2, minus 6. Plus minus 2 into minus 2, plus 4. Minus 6 plus 4. Next, A21. Second row, first column. 4 into 3, 12. Plus minus 2 into 8, minus 8. Next, A22. 4 into minus 2, minus 8. Plus minus 2 into minus 2, plus 4. Equal to, will get 9 minus 8, 1. Minus 6 plus 4, minus 2. 12 minus 8, 4. Minus 8 plus 4, minus 4. You got answer a square. Next, the given condition, so that a square equal to ka minus 2i. Always you know I means identity matrix. Here a matrix what is the order? 2 by 2 is the order. When 2 by 2 order means identity also 2 by 2 matrix. What is the identity matrix? I2 2 by 2 matrix 1 0 0 1. Here you can substitute the matrices here. A square matrix. What is A square matrix? 1 minus 2 4 minus 4 equal to Ka. K is a scalar. A is a matrix. Scalar multiply into each element. Multiply here 3k minus 2k 4k minus 2k. Got minus 2 into I. 2 is a scalar. I is identity matrix. 2 multiply will get here 2 0 0 2. Now that you can equate 1 minus 2 4 minus 4 equal to here 3k subtraction. Subtraction matrix always same. Subtract the corresponding elements. 3k minus 2. Next minus 2k minus 0 minus 2k. Next 4k minus 0 means 4k. Next minus 2k minus 2. Minus 2k minus 2. Now see equal symbol. When two matrices are equal, what you have to do? Corresponding elements you can equate. Here what is A111? Here A11 3k minus 2. 1 equal to 3k minus 2. Simplify. What will write? Minus 2 write on left side. Minus 2 right left side. Here 3 equal to 3k implies k equal to value is 1. Substitute anywhere, you simply get same answer. They are asking find the k scalar. You got k equal to 1. Now we'll solve next question. Next question, question number 18. Same method you can try. Next question number 19. A trust fund has 30,000 that must be invested into two different types of bonds. Total money is having 30,000. You have to invest two types of bonds. Suppose we don't know. That's why I am taking that first one is X amount. What about second person investing? One is X. Total amount is 30,000. That first person is X. Second person it will come here 30,000 minus X. Next one, they given interest. The first bond pays 5% interest and second bond pays 7% interest they given. Here see amount and they given interest one more. That interest is here, one is 5%, one more person is 7%. And here they are asking you have to find out using matrix multiplication. Matrix multiplication means here you have to take product of two matrices. This is the amount is one matrix, percentage you can take that, interest you can take, second matrix you can take. And one more, what is the first matrix here? Suppose A matrix, I am taking X here 30,000 minus X, first matrix. And second interest, what I am taking interest 5%. 5% means 5 by 100. Second one 7 by 100, 7%. And one more thing, here they given amount and interest. Amount if you take that row, interest you have to take column. Otherwise, here will take amount in column B matrix. Interest you have to take in row. Both are you have to take that one row, one is column. Now see here, A matrix order. What is order? First row, second column. B matrix order. Second row, first column. Clear? Now they are given here total amount of interest they given. What is the total amount of interest? 1800. How will you find out 1800? This total interest. Total interest means amount into interest equal to total interest. A means amount. B matrix is here interest. Amount into interest equal to total interest. What is the A here matrix? A matrix here X here 30,000 minus X into B matrix here 5%, 5 by 100, one more is 7 by 100 equal to 1800. Now multiply first matrix here 1 by 2, here 2 by 1. First matrix column, second matrix row, both are equal. Now multiply X into 5 by 100. We will get here first column, first row, first column multiply 5x by 100. Next plus 30,000 minus x into 7 by 100 equal to 1800. Now you can simplify here 5x. LCM is same. Here 100, here 100 you can write right side. Here 5x plus 7 multiply here 21, 2,10,000 minus 7x equal to here 1,80,000. Now 5x minus 2x will get here minus 2x equal to 1,80,000 minus 2,10,000. Now minus 2x equal to 1,80,000 minus 2,80,000 will get minus 30,000. Minus 30,000. Here minus minus cancel. We will get 2x equal to 30,000. What about x value here? X value is here 15,000. Now here one person invested amount is here 15,000. Second person is 15,000. This is the answer. Next you try same method they given here. B question A B equal to 2,000 they given. This is you can solve. Same method will get X value. Next question number 20. Next question number 20. The bookshop of a particular school has 10 dozen chemistry books, 8 dozen physics books, 10 dozen economics books. Their selling prices are 80 rupees, 60 rupees and 40 rupees each respectively. Find the total amount of bookshop will receive from selling all the books using matrix algebra. Here they given two types. One is books, second one is price they given. Books you can take the A matrix, price you can take the B matrix. Here A matrix I am taking here 10 dozen physics books, 8 dozen chemistry books, 10 dozen economics books. 1 dozen means here 12. Now I can write here A equal to 10 into 12, 8 into 12, 10 into 12. Now in A matrix 12 is common. Here A matrix 12 is common. A here 12 you can take out the common, will get 10, 8, here 10. Now B matrix they given that selling prices they given. What are the selling prices here? They given for 80 rupees, 60, 40 they given. Now what they are asking? Trust for what they are asking? Here they are asking total amount they are asking. The total amount the bookshop will receive from the selling all the books they are asking. Here you can see product of books and prices. What are the books here I am taking? 12, here 10, 8, 10. What is the B matrix here? 80, 60, 40. We will get total amount in here. Now 12 multiply 10 into 80, 800 plus 8 into 60, 480 plus 10 into 40, 400. Now 12 here 480 plus 400, 880 plus 800, 1600 here 1680. 1680. Now we can multiply 12 into 1680. We will get value 1200, 96. Here 12 into 1680, you can get 20,160 rupees. The bookshop person will get total amount here 20,160. Next question number 21 and 22. Next question number 21 and 22. Here they given capital X matrix order 2 by n, capital Y matrix order 3 by k, capital Z matrix order 2 by p, capital W matrix order n by 3, capital P matrix order p by k they given. They are given condition py plus wy matrix order given. They are given four options. First you can see P matrix order. What is the P matrix order here? P by k. And Y matrix order. What is the Y matrix order here? 3 by k. Next one W matrix order n by 3. N by 3. Y matrix order here 3 by k. Now see here. Product of two matrix. Product of two matrix means here first matrix here column, second matrix row, both are equal. That means here k equal to 3. K equal to 3. Next here W matrix order n by 3, Y matrix order here 3. Here 3, here 3. Now after product here Py, what will get? Answer matrix order here P by K will get. Plus Wy matrix multiply will get here order n by k will get. N by k. Now see here plus symbol is given and means sum of the two matrix. Sum of the two matrix means all both matrix order is same. Order is same means here what is there? P by k, here n by k is there. P by k, n by k means here both matrix order is same, but here order is same means here what you have to take condition P equal to N you have to take. P equal to N here order K value already. Now they given options here, 4 options. First one option A, K equal to 3 and P equal to N means this problem we can solve. Otherwise we can't. Option A is the answer. Next question they given 22. Here they given same X matrix, Y matrix, Z matrix, W matrix, P matrix. Here if N equal to P, N equal to P, they given 7x minus 5z. What is the X matrix order here? 7x. Matrix order here 2 by N minus 5z. 5z is here. What is the matrix order here? 2 by P. Now this is the subtraction. 5z, sorry. 5z 2 by P. Here subtraction. Subtraction means both matrix order is same. You can subtract the corresponding elements. Order is same means here compulsory here N equal to P. N equal to P. Now check that options here. N equal to P. They given what are the 4 options here? P by 2, 2 by N, and here C N by 3. Option D P by N. Here you can take N equal to P. You will get P by 2. You will get here 2 by P, or you can check 2 by N. Now which is option 2 by P or 2 by N? Option B is the answer. 2 by N is the answer. You can check option 2 by P or 2 by N. Anyone will satisfy. 4 options. I hope you all understood today class. Next class I am going to teach transpose of a matrix, skew matrix and skew symmetric matrix. Thank you.